In this video, we are going to show you how to adjust the location of things you have already drawn on your map. To adjust your features one at a time, you can do so like this. So scrolling into my map here, I know that this fire hydrant is incorrect. You can actually see on the map here, that's the fire hydrant's location right there. You see the shadow, and if I want to verify that, I can take my little street view guy here and scroll in, and yep, fire hydrant is right there in between these two sections of sidewalk. So if I go back out to my main view here, to move this fire hydrant, I can click on it, and then down here in the action bar, I want to select Adjust Points. Now, I just have to grab it and drag it over to its actual location, which is right there, and click Done. I have now moved that marker. You can also use the same process to move lines. So for instance, I know that this line juts out right here in front of this fire hydrant and comes back in. So again, click on the line, then go down to the action bar, adjust points, and now you can see all these dots here are areas where you can move it. So I'm going to move this up, and then I'm going to move this dot right here because it juts out right in front of the sidewalk. Click Done. Now I'm going to adjust this line to go up and meet it. Again, adjust points. I can drag it up there and you see the little box up here. It'll snap to it. And I want to bring it down here. And click Done. I've now adjusted for that curve there. Next, let's look at how you could move many points all at once. One common scenario is where you recently imported a bunch of GPS points from a file, and all of the points are off by a couple of feet in the same direction. This might be because your GPS recorded the points using a NAD83 datum, and this mapping software uses the WGS84 datum. Obviously, you don't want to click on hundreds of points and move them one at a time. So this is why we have the Select and Modify tool. Here's how you would do that. So, coming down here, I can identify that here's where it says my hydrant is, but I know my hydrant ends right here at this line, and in fact I can see it on the map there. So I know that one's off by that much, and if we go take a look at another one, this one is also off. There's the fire hydrant there, there's where it says it is. So they're all off by the same amount. So, if I go up here to my menu, and then select the Modify tool, and then I want to select my hydrants layer, and then I click the select box here, and then I want to select everything in here, and it's only going to select the hydrants. Now, if I zoom back in here, under my action menu, I want to click Adjust Points, and now it's asking the from point, so I want to move it from where it is now, and I want to move it to right here. And then I click Confirm. And it's now moved all the points on my map over that much. Let's see if we come back down here to the one we looked at before. It's now where that fire hydrant is supposed to be. When you're done, just click Close. And if I want to get these from and to points off of here, I can click the clear button up here.